Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we're looking at a Yamaha Vino 50cc scooter. It's 4-stroke 49cc, as I said, so it's AM license applicable. Capable of about 60 kilometers an hour, so it's a quick bike. Drum brakes front and rear. About 12,000 miles on the clock. Tires front and rear are good. A few little exterior marks on the bike to be expected of a bike from 2008. But as we go through here, front tire really good condition, front mudguard in really nice nick, front plastics all original and in nice condition as well. I'm being probably quite harsh on it to say it has a few marks, but just the state of bikes that come in, this is actually quite a good one. A few little marks here on the right hand side plastics in the footwell area. Yamaha Vino, it's a Japanese import. It's actually, we sold it to a lady and she's traded it back in, so we know the bike very well. And the oil and dipstick, I just had a service about 30 odd kilometers ago. 2008, as you can see from the rear. And here's your fuel cap, very nice at the back. The original Yamaha seat, no rips or tears over the top or in the front here. The rear tire as well is here. It is hold on if we can get in there. It is actually okay. We have had the thread depth test. It's about just over 1 mil, so it is just about okay. Kickstart and electric start. Right hand side of the bike here, Yamaha Vino. Main stand only, no side stand on her. Footwell area really clean. Underneath here is plastic, so no rusting or anything like that. Under the seat then you have a nice bit of space. Putting a helmet, something like that, just out of tax as well. As you can see, 18,835 kilometers was the previous service done to it by us, and it's 18,874, so just around 30 kilometers since the last service. Mirrors are original chrome mirrors, nice on it. Main bit of cosmetic damage is on this left hand side here, as you can see. Only minor though, and superficial of course. And again here on the left hand side we have a few little small marks, and again on the indicator. Apart from that, a really nice little bike, quicker than most these newer 49cc bikes coming out to get up to 60 kilometers an hour. We'll see that on the ride along video. Okay, now on to the Yamaha Vino, and I've just been informed as well that rear tyre will be changed, so any of the new buyers will have a brand new tyre on the rear as well. So even though it is on the edge of needing to be changed, we are going to change it for the new owner. So that's a brand new rear tyre on the bike. So how to start the bike: turn on the ignition, which is turning it right. Another thing to note is that the seat, eject the seat, is left, so it goes up like that. This is the steering lock here, and we'll start the bike now. Brake in and push to start. You have your indicators on the left hand side as well as your horn. Right, so away we go. I am 188 centimeters, or about 6'2". So I fit on the bike reasonably well. The handlebars are quite high and to the out, so I'm not kind of hitting my knees off the how would you call it, the handlebars. Let me just make a left out here. This transporter here, van, makes it quite difficult. And cancel the indicator. That's it. Away we go. Now, up the hill, we'll see what speed we can get up to. I reckon 45 to 50 kilometers an hour is what we can be hopeful of. And up the hill, we're currently doing 45. We're now doing 50. So 50 kilometers uphill is very good for a little scooter like this. Usually a lot of scooters top out at 45 kilometers on the flat, and then uphill is about 40, so to get that extra 10 kilometers actually makes a huge difference. And also I'd presume now on the way down it'll also get an extra 10, so around 60 kilometers an hour, as I was saying in the visual analysis. So we'll run down the hill here and see what we get up to. what our max speed can be. And we're doing 55 currently, and we're now into 60. We're doing about 63 kilometers an hour indicated. So a nice and fast little bike, and quiet as well for your neighbours. I know a lot of people like to have these little scooters, are quite understated, not something that's particularly loud. And the bike's in nice condition with a new service. As I said, you'll have a good front tyre and a brand new rear tyre on the bike when you come to buy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn in left here, and I am going to as I see left here, and I'm going to check all the electrics for you. And one thing to make note of is that all of our bikes, if you're looking to purchase, we do delivery around Ireland. Even during lockdown we are permitted to do that, and we have a driver that will go all around Ireland and the UK to deliver our bikes. So they are deliverable around Dublin or Ireland as a whole, or England as a whole. It's not free. Don't be thinking it's free now. It's free in Dublin, but elsewhere you have to pay a small fee. Okay, so that's it. I'm just going to take a phone out and take a picture for the thumbnail. So that's it. Ticking over very nicely. No real rust on the bike at all, as it's Japanese import. Indicators working nicely on the left hand side as well as the right hand side. You heard the horn, I believe, just there. What else can we test? The rear brake light as well, and there we go. That's all good. What else? Under the seat then, we can check the kickstart for you here. So kickstart's working perfectly as well. Front headlamp then, low beam and high beam, low beam and high beam. Okay, so everything working, all electrics. Tires good, rear tire brand new, just serviced, and in really nice nick. Nice little run around little bike for someone with a nice big seat as well, so plenty of room for manoeuvring. So if you like the video, please do leave a like. Also comment down below what you think of the Yamaha Vino 50. As well as that, if you could subscribe, that could be really well appreciated. As well as if you want to reach out to us on our socials, they are at Retro Bikes Dublin for Instagram and Facebook, and our official website page is www.retrobikesdublin.com. Thanks for watching.